Protein's in everything these days. The Kardashians just raised a bunch of money for a protein popcorn, bagged and popped in 3 different flavors. I'm going to show you how to make 2 of those flavors with popcorn right from your Popsmith. The big way most people are putting protein into everything these days is with collagen. Collagen is tendons, cartilage from beef that's rendered down and then turned into a powdered form. This is unflavored, but I like this because it instantly dissolves right into liquid and it's going to take on whatever flavor I put with it. This says there are 18 grams of protein and 4 tablespoons. One of their flavors was just a plain butter. So I've taken a little plant-based butter. I'm rendering that down in my saucepan. I'm going to add this collagen in and it's going to mix in with the butter and it's just going to become one thing. Now I'm going to add some salt, pepper, and garlic. I'm just going to mix this up. I got some popcorn here in my Popsmith. I'm just going to make a little bit of this. I'm going to pour it over the top of my popcorn just like you would buttery topping after you've made it. While it's still warm, shake it. And we're done. Let's just transfer this to a bowl. This looks like popcorn. How does it taste? Collagen takes a little bit of the crunch away from the popcorn because just like if you add butter to anything, it softens it up. I'm still getting some crunch. I added about 3 tablespoons of that, so I don't know, we're looking at 10, 11 grams of protein right here. Now I think I want to try one of the other flavors because I think we can level this up. People ask me if you can make cheese popcorn in your Popsmith, and it's hard to do inside the Popsmith because the smoke point of that cheddar flavor is way higher than what it takes to cook popcorn, and oftentimes you'll burn it. We need to bake it at a very low heat before it's super crunchy and super cheesy. Let's go ahead and make a protein cheddar powder to put on our popcorn. Collagen, cheese powder. I personally think that just white popcorn flavored anything is kind of bland, and I want to add some spices. Aleppo pepper, some parsley, and just a hint of cayenne. Let's just mix this up. We've got cheese powder. I added a little olive oil to this spray. Give that popcorn a nice little shake. Make sure everything is a little sticky. Add my cheese powder. Now I'm going to put it in this baking dish and put it in the oven at 200 degrees for about 15-20 minutes. All right, we've taken our cheese popcorn out of the oven. Look at that cheesy goodness. How's it taste? I'm going to add a little extra salt. Cheese wasn't as salty as I thought it would be. Otherwise, it's perfect. Oh, and there's 4 grams of protein in the cheese powder per serving. I added about 1 serving of cheese powder to this. So all in all, we're up to 12 grams of protein right here in this little thing of popcorn. And for those who are interested, I did try adding collagen directly into the popcorn machine while I was making popcorn. And this is what I got. A gloppy mess. What happened is when I added the collagen, it solidified all of the coconut oil, seized up, and it didn't pop the popcorn. So enjoy some protein popcorn at home. Don't wait for that bag stuff. Let's get popping.